Hey guys, if you guys are having issues where, let's say your battery, this thing's loose and you can't tighten it just because it's completely stripped, you can get these shims. They're about $2-3 and it's gonna go around this. It's actually really easy. So these, put it on, makes a good contact. Let's see. Now it's gonna be a lot tighter. I'm gonna have to loosen it up. Yeah, I'm gonna have to loosen it up and at least still have a tight fit after this. So that's what I'm gonna do. So now you just tighten the screw up. And now it's a lot snugger fit, so it shouldn't be popping off.